Thank you for watching this video. For more information, knowledge and facts on Hahnemann's Organon of Medicine, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press bell icon to get instant update.
Aphorism 16. Our vital force, as a spirit-like dynamis, cannot be attacked and affected by injurious influences on the healthy organism caused by the external inimical forces that disturb the harmonious play of life, otherwise than in a spirit-like, dynamic way, and in like manner. All such morbid derangements, diseases, cannot be removed from it by the physician in any other way than by the spirit-like, dynamic, virtual, alterative powers of the serviceable medicines, acting upon our spirit-like vital force, which perceives them through the medium of the sentient faculty of the nerves everywhere present in the organism, so that it is only by their dynamic action on the vital force that remedies are able to re-establish, and do actually re-establish health and vital harmony, after the changes in the health of the patient, cognizable by our senses. The totality of the symptoms have revealed the disease to the carefully observing and investigating physician as fully as was requisite in order to enable him to cure it.
Thank you for watching this video at Organon of Medicine. I am sure you must have subscribed this channel. You can watch more related videos here now, especially created for you.